Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to avoid cross-pollination on your lettuce seed. So here's a clip from the show. So this is Firecracker. Firecracker is going to seed, but now I have what I'm calling Ruby Star is also going to seed. So since Ruby Star is in the bed and I can't move it, I'm going to go ahead and move the Firecracker. It needs to be, I think, at least 20 feet away, so that we're not cross-pollinating. So we're going to move this to the other side of the tomatoes. This one's almost done, and we'll collect this head today, but I do want some distance in between them. And then I also have, in my grow bed in front of me, I have lettuce that's wanting to go to seed as well. So I can either cut those off, or I can go ahead and remove that section. It's going to get planted next week. So for my timing on the bed, I do need one more week on that. So we'll get into the lettuce pretty soon, but I just wanted to talk about this guy and what to do with it since I'm wanting to save seed there. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 21. And if you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.